Hey everyone, Spencer here over at Ottawa, St-Laurent Jeep and Ram. Today I'm going to be showing you a new 2023 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4. Try saying that 5 times fast. If you're looking for a vehicle that can handle the Ottawa winter, let's go take a look at this truck. I think it might be for you. All right, so this new 2023 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4, it's got a lot to offer us. So you can see already from the front, it has a nice sport performance hood there. It really gives it a nice aggressive look. It is also equipped with a HEMI eTorque engine, so it is a V8. You got that power there that you wouldn't have in a V6. It also has a bit of the fuel efficiency that comes with the eTorque. You also have these proximity sensors all the way along the bottom of the vehicle there. So when you're parking or getting close to an object, you'll get some alerts letting you know that you're about to hit something. So that is really handy to have. And now as we make our way around the side of the vehicle, we get a good view of that Patriot blue pearl coating. What a great color for this vehicle. Just makes it pop. And as you can see as well, it is a crew cab, so that back seat is a lot larger than the quads. Coming to the back, we have the trailer hitch. As you can see, it's already equipped with dual exhaust. Open this back up, we can take a look at the bed. Ample amount of space right there. And coming into the back seat here, take a look. We do have 2 storage compartments on the bottom, just like that, if I can open it. One here, one on the other side, just right there. We also have this nice leather and cloth mixture here, which makes a very comfortable seat. These lift up very easy, and there's a little bit of storage underneath as well. This also lifts up, just a little bit of strength. It's a bigger seat. Close this back down again. We have the middle that comes open, just like that. Armrest and cup holder. And in the middle, we have a few options here. We have a little storage compartment here, very tiny if you want to put your phone. USB and USB-C plugins, as well as regular plug-in right there, and our vents, climate control here. And just before we head into the front seat, take a look at the mirrors. They are heated, so that'll help you defrost. Open it up, and we have our electronic seat controls here. Forward, backward, adjust the seat, forward and back, and our lumbar control right there. Also want to point out that there are side curtains airbags in both the front and the back on both sides. So we have it right here and way in the back too, along with airbags along the front. All right, so now I'm going to hop into the driver's seat and we can get a closer look at all the features on the inside of the vehicle. All right, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and take a look at all the features that are here. So it is push to start, so we're going to have to press the brake and the start button, which is just here behind the steering wheel. So we'll go ahead and hit that. Turn it on. Nice little animation there on the Uconnect screen. Then on the left, we have our door and window controls here. So we can go ahead and lock the windows and doors like that. And then our mirror control here. So this little button, if I'm gonna go ahead and press it, you can watch, folds the mirrors in, just like that. And I press it again, unfolds the mirrors just like that. Now taking a look at the steering wheel controls here, we have our driver's display controls on the left here. Cycles through the menu options, just like that. And then on the right, we have our cruise control settings here. Over here on the Uconnect system, it has a 12-inch display screen, absolutely massive. You can go through all the different settings here. You have your media, your comfort displays, your navigation. It's a little finicky because the plastic's still on the screen. We just lightly touch it. There we go. We cycle through. Just like that. Over on the comfort display, one thing to note too is it does come with heated seats and a heated steering wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and turn that on because it snowed for the first time yesterday and it is a little chilly. And just to the left of the Uconnect system, we have our 4x4 options, as you can see right here, and our gear shift turning knob as well. We also have our auto start stop button as well, so we can disable that just by pressing this here. And below the screen, we have a few options here. Here's our electronic stability control. You can turn that on and off, our tow haul, and our parking alerts for the front and the rear. And just below that, as you can see, we have a few outlets as well, some USB, a USB-C, and an aux port. Taking a look now at the middle console, you can see it's quite a large middle console here. It's got 2 compartments. The one that's on the top is a lot smaller. And if you grab the second little lever, it opens up the middle section. You see there's also the classic Ram measurements on the back of that. And this middle compartment is actually one massive compartment. So you press this little button, you have options in the front and you have options in the back. Also up here in the front, I didn't mention earlier, but there's a little spot to put your phone. And taking a look now at the passenger side, you see we have a little storage compartment here. Press a little button, it opens up that little sport display. And down we go. We also have a regular glove box just down here. And one last thing to note is that it is equipped with an Alpine audio system. So it's going to sound fantastic whatever you choose to listen to. So there we have it, the 2023 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab 4x4 with an eTorque HEMI. Just a beautiful vehicle. If you're interested in this, you can always give us a call, send us a text or an email, but really the best way to go about it is come on down, visit us here at the corner of MacArthur and St-Laurent Boulevard. You can come on in, ask for me. My name is Spencer once again, and I'd love to show you this. We can see what it's like and how it feels in your hands as you take it on the road.